Good morning, traders. Grab your coffee, adjust your charts, and let's sprinkle some humor on this trading day before the markets decide whether to soar like an eagle or flop like a fish. It's a light week for economic data. Think of it as the market's version of a lazy summer day, with just a few consumer credit numbers and jobless claims to keep us mildly entertained. But don't get too comfy in your ergonomic chair. There's a storm brewing. And it's not just the barista messing up your latte order. Let's break it down with a grin. First up, Wednesday's the big day. Not for your weekly trivia night, but for the FOMC minutes from June's Federal Reserve meeting. Picture Fed Chair Jerome Powell and pals sipping overpriced coffee, debating whether inflation's a pesky mosquito or a fire-breathing dragon. These minutes will spill the tea on whether the Fed's still playing wait-and-see with interest rates. Spoiler, they probably are, with rates stuck at 4.25%, 4.5%. Expect markets to dissect every word like it's a cryptic tweet from a celebrity trader. Will the Fed hint at rate cuts, or are they too spooked by tariff talk to budge? Either way, it's like waiting for your grandma to decide if she's baking cookies or just teasing you with the recipe. Speaking of tariffs, here's the real market gremlin: tariff turbulence. The July 9th deadline for reciprocal tariffs is looming like a bad Tinder date. President Trump's been playing tariff roulette, signing deals with the UK and Vietnam, but ghosting Canada, leaving traders wondering if he'll slap 25% duties on maple syrup and hockey sticks or extend the deadline again. A Reuters piece called last April's tariff pause a monster rally trigger, but warned the calm might be as fleeting as a meme stock's glory days. If Trump pulls the trigger on those April 2nd level tariffs, markets could tank faster than a stand-up comic bombing on stage. One X-post even dreamt of a magical unicorn farting dust to calm markets. Sadly, we're stuck with real-world trade wars instead. So why the chuckle? Because markets are like that friend who overreacts to everything. 1 minute, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ are hitting all-time highs, basking in the glow of a Vietnam trade deal and a decent jobs report. 147,000 jobs added in June, unemployment at 4.1%. The next, they're freaking out over a rumor that Trump sneezed near a tariff memo. The Dow's close to its peak, but one bad trade headline could send it diving like it's auditioning for a melodrama. Your job? Stay cool like a trader who just nailed a perfect options play. Trading tip of the day. With data light as a feather this week, keep one eye on those FOMC minutes for clues on rate cuts. CME FedWatch says only a 5% chance for July, down from 25. Ouch. The other eye? Watch tariff headlines like a hawk. If Trump extends the deadline or signs more deals, Commerce Secretary Lutnick's teasing 10 more, you might ride the bullish wave. If not, brace for a tariff tantrum. Stock up on gold and Swiss francs, because safe havens might get their moment. And maybe, just maybe, channel that ex-user's unicorn dream and hope for a sprinkle of market magic. Laugh to keep from crying.